everyone, bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to Fashion Portal. J'espère que vous allez bien, moi je me porte à merveille et aujourd'hui on va parler de la nouvelle palette Morphe. Today I have for you a makeup tutorial with the new Morphe palette, the 3502. The name is Second Nature and all the colors are warm color. Warm shades are my favorite. I'm wearing them all year long for my everyday look. Most of the time I'm wearing a warm color. So when I saw this palette I was just happy. So I have the palette here. I'm gonna share with you those colors. So here is the palette. You have 35 color. Most of Morphe standard palette have 35 colors. So this one also have 35 color. So within this shade you have the brown shade, you have the reddish, you have the orange, and the orange are my favorite, so that's why I choose them to do this look. I mainly use a blaze, and which is the orange, the regular orange one, and you have sauce, which is a shimmery one. You also have fire and ruby. Not only you can use it for your eye makeup, but you can also use this palette for your contouring. Isn't that great? I just find out that this is a complete palette. Let's say you can use that, put it in your suitcase and travel with it. You don't even need the highlighting, contouring, everything is here. Yep. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. I already primed my eyes with a concealer, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole eye so I can start for my transition color. I'm gonna go ahead and use chestnut on my crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the color that exciting me the most in that palette, that beautiful orange. The name is Ablaze. So I don't want to use any base, I just want to see if I can build it. I'm just gonna add it up until it's very dark. Now I'm gonna do the outer corner of my eye. I want to add some shadow, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my scotch tape to avoid the mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and use brunette on the outer corner of my eye. I'm adding muddy because muddy is darker. Right, that's exactly what I want. I'm gonna go ahead and add this shimmery orange in the center of my eye. and it's called sauce. Let's go ahead and add some sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my brow bone up here. I'm gonna add a rustic, just a little bit. It's a shimmery color. It's gold-ish, just a little bit. And then here I come a little bit here. That's about it. Done with the eyes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my contouring. But before I do so, when I look at the palette, I see a lot of opportunity here for contouring and highlighting. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to contour with those colors. On the palette, I'm gonna use Rich to contour with. So Rich is this brownish color here, so I'm gonna try that to see if it works. I'm just gonna apply it and then blend later. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my nose. And I'm gonna blend. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my cheek. Okay, I'm gonna use my favorite cheek color by Milani, and I'm gonna go on the top of the contouring. And for my contouring, I'm gonna try this color, which is Pure from the palette. Let's see if it's usable for contouring. I'm gonna start with the cheek, so let's try this. Yep. It works. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara and my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. My eyelashes on, and I think I need some eyeliner. I forgot. So let's try to put it over. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my lips with my NARS pencil. For my lips, I'm gonna use Urban Decay in color Bang. So this is a orange shade. To go with the orange mood. I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Pure. And that's it for this look.